A lot has changed in the ATV world since inception in the 1980s. Looking for your first ATV? This video is for you. So you're back at work on Monday and everyone is talking about what a great time they had on the weekend riding their ATVs. So you're thinking to yourself, it would be great to get out of town. A change of pace, some fresh air, maybe even some adventure. Get back to nature. Play outside like you used to when you were a kid. Now, we're not talking about ATVing like your grandfather around his farm. We're talking about recreational ATVing. It can be cross-country racing, ripping through the sand dunes, mountain adventures, cruising back roads, and busting bush trails. But eventually, living in North America, when the weather gets wet, things get muddy, and you get ruts. It all seems like a good idea, so you accept the offer to join the group. But you don't have an ATV. Don't worry, someone says, you can ride double with me. And then after your first taste, you decide it's time to get my own. Now, depending on your cash flow situation, options are getting something old and make the best of it, something newer and dependable with a little less horsepower, or you get really lucky and find that unicorn of a next to new used ATV. So you pick one and you're ready for your first ride. Remember when I mentioned ruts? Before you know it, you're stuck. While others just breeze on through. And you're just spinning your wheels. Don't get frustrated. This is supposed to be fun. Before you know it, you're digging back into your fat stacks of cash. But an easy fix for this is some bigger, more aggressive tires. And there are plenty of choices. Because the stock ones just aren't cutting it. So now you got the new tires and you're loving life again. You're out riding with the boys and you're starting to get a little more adventurous. Until bigger tires means clutch work. A clutch kit or an aftermarket clutch will get you moving again and bring new life into your CVT system. So you can do this, or this, or this. Or this. And definitely this.
Hey, that's how you do it.
Some ATVs use a traditional semi-automatic transmission. In this case, a gear reduction may be required to spin those big tires. One benefit of this type of low horsepower ATV is that your belt will never get wet. Now you're living the ATV dream. But is there more fun to be had? Now these thoughts can lead to a downward spiral that really affect the cash flow. We add snorkels to protect the engine, relocate the radiator to keep it cool. Many of these items are available for purchase, or you can do them yourselves. Some ATV manufacturers have models with these features right from the factory. Besides fancy upgrades, some other costs to consider is proper gear to keep you protected, clean, warm, and dry in a variety of conditions. You also need to factor in regular maintenance, service, and inspection to help avoid costly repairs. Remember to hold on and don't get hung up on what everyone else is doing. The important thing is to enjoy your toys. Meet interesting people. Tell stories, maybe a few lies, and a few laughs. Good times with good people. And always enjoy the ride.
It don't matter what you ride, as long as you're out riding, man. Friggin' right. Friggin' right. Oh yeah, absolutely.